Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste elements between projects in Webflow. So firstly open up your Webflow, then just simply click on the element that you want to copy. For example, I want to copy the entire selection. Let's go with this one, or maybe this one. I'll simply press Ctrl C, and then in the new page I will just simply press Ctrl V, and the selection will be copied just like that. I can do the exact thing for the text as well. Just simply press on the selection and then press Ctrl C, and then in the new page just press Ctrl V, and it should appear, yeah, right. So it was pasted into the new page with the same class that it was earlier. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.